primary structure of a protein refers to the order of the amino acids which are joined together. This order is encoded by the DNA, which is transcribed to make mRNA and then translated at the ribosome. And so thus it is the DNA structure which will determine the order of the amino acids in the protein. Since amino acids can vary in the size of their R groups and whether their R groups are polar or nonpolar, acidic or basic, the amino acids which are selected help to determine the function of the protein.